The GPS-iRIB is an NPBI air purifier made from a flexible chemical, heat, and cold-resistant material and compactly engineered to be installed on the cooling coil or discharge of ductless systems or PTACs. The unit is available in 18 and 36-inch lengths and comes with an adhesive-backed hook and loop tape for ease of installation. Before you start the installation, confirm you have the GPS-iRIB with inline fuse. You will also need electrical wiring to provide power. Turn off the power to the HVAC unit. Remove the filter screens and cover to expose the coil surface and the power box. Determine mounting location. Ionizers must always be downstream of any filtration. Peel off the loop section and paper layer of the iRIB to expose the adhesive. Carefully attach the adhesive-backed loop. Mount the iRIB to the plastic strip along the top of the coil or, alternatively, on the fin surface. Mount the power supply using the included hook and loop tape. Press the power supply firmly to the mounting location. Run the wires to the electrical compartment. Trim wires to length. Do not remove inline fuse. Connect to power terminals and secure wires. If BAS monitoring is desired, connect BAS terminals into the BAS for status and alarm programming. Be sure not to remove the inline fuse from the black power wire. Turn on the HVAC unit to power the iRIB. Once the unit is energized, the integral LED on the power pack will illuminate, indicating the unit is active.